Welcome to Albania. We just arrived today in Tirana and now just drove all the way up to Shkodra, which is roughly 2 hours up north. And here will be our starting point for tomorrow's hike into the Albanian Alps. But for now, we will just gonna check out the town. So let's check it out. So we finally arrived in Theth now. It took around 2 hours from Shkodra with a small bus, and we're starting our first hike to the Blue Eye, which is supposed to be a really nice little clear water lake, I guess. I don't know. It looked nice on Google, so we're gonna do that. Roughly 19 kilometers, supposed to take 6 to 7 hours, and yeah, let's check it out. So after like 3.5 hours, we finally reached the Blue Eye, or at least the sign. So good morning from Theth. As you can see, beautiful weather, nice blue sky, and that's perfect for today's hike to Valbone, which is roughly 20 kilometers from here. It's supposed to be one of the most beautiful hikes around Albania, not even Albania, I think all of Europe. The conditions are perfect. Let's just do it. So let's start our hike to Valbone. Supposed to take around 6 hours. Let's see if we can make it. First 3.5 kilometers done. We're like 500 meters up on ascent, so quite a bit. I think we will soon reach the highest point of today's hike. Let's see. As you can see, we reached almost the top. Yeah, so far really amazing hike. So we finally arrived in Valbone, but since the village is quite stretched apparently, we still have to walk 3 kilometers to our guest house, which then we end up with 19 kilometers overall. So quite a long hike, but also really worth to do. I mean, the view from the top of the mountain was really amazing, and overall was also really nice to hike. Different sceneries, the weather was perfect, but now we are also quite done, and yeah, looking forward to tomorrow. Okay, we're back in Shkodra. We drove all the way from Valbone to Shkodra Shkodra, which took like 8 hours, which sucked. We're supposed to take the ferry and see the Lake Coman, which is supposed to be really, really nice. But unfortunately, the water level is too low, or was too low, so we couldn't take the ferry, and instead, yeah, we just drove 8 hours from Valbone to Shkodra. So basically only transfer day yesterday, and now we head all the way down to Ksamil to see nice beaches. We'll probably stop by a small village on the way, Kruje, so let's go there. So we're now in Kruje or something, again I cannot pronounce those names. Apparently he's a nice bazaar which we can check out, and a castle which is actually right in front of me. There it is. Okay, welcome to Ksamil. We arrived yesterday evening after again 8-hour drive from all the way from the north, Valbone, Shkodra, with a little stop in Kruje, which was nice, but it just takes forever, even though it's a small country and it was only like 350 kilometers. Again, it took like 7 hours, 7-8 hours. So it takes a time to transfer, but now we arrived, the weather is beautiful. And first of all, we're gonna check out some of the beaches around Ksamil. And later that day, we will check out the National Park Butrint, which is around the corner here. And it's supposed to be really nice. So that's basically the plan for today. Let's check it out. Okay, so after checking out the beaches at Ksamil, we are now in the National Park of Butrint, which is a former ancient port city. And more I don't know yet, but we will try to figure out. So, after exploring the beaches in Ksamil yesterday, we will now take a boat and explore a little bit the areas around Ksamil, not within. They're also supposed to be really nice beaches, and so we rented a boat and we'll just check out some more beaches. Oh. So we are now arrived in Tonga, which is an island really close to Greece. We'll just enjoy some food and then probably go back. Okay, unfortunately already last day. We left Ksamil towards Tirana, but before we go to the airport we stopped by in Gjirokastra or something, which is a small city, and I have no clue what's so special about it, but everybody is recommending it, so let's see.